Students, I welcome. In this video, just simply we'll understand how to practice Tally by using one example, taking one example from our question bank. We solve that example that help us to how to create companies, how to enter the transactions. So each and every problem, for each and every problem, we have to create a new company. So can you remember the shortcut key for creating a company? What is that? Alt plus F3. Okay. So first we have to, whenever we started a tally, then immediately it will be open for us gateway of Tally and one latest company will be opened and displayed for us. So we want to create a new company. In gateway of Tally window, we have to press Alt F3. Then we can create the company. And for the new company, only profit and loss account as well as a cash ledgers are open. Remaining all whatever the required ledgers which we are going to enter in the problem, we have to create our own. We have to create our own. That we learn. These steps already we know very well. What are the steps for creating the company? We know very well. Okay. I will show in this PPT. So this is the problem. Opening balances of 6 ledgers were given to us. Except cash, we have to create all these 6 ledgers. And also we have to create other ledgers which were given in transactions. So overall, we have to create capital, we have to create machinery, we have to create land, we have to create plant, we have to create bank, which is the opening balances. Cash will be entered by using alter mode. Later the transactions are purchased goods from Sita for cash. Entry is purchase account data to cash account. We have to create purchase account. Sold goods for cash, cash account data to sales account. Cash is already created by Tally, so we have to create sales account. Sold goods to Geeta account data to sales account. Already sales were created, now we have to create Geeta account. Paid salaries, selling expenses, distribution expenses, all are payments. Salaries account data, selling expense account data, distribution expenses account data to cash account. So overall, we have to create capital, machinery, land, plant, bank, purchases, sales, Geeta, salaries, selling expenses, distribution expenses. All these we have to create. Okay, we can also create group. So here machinery is there. That machinery and plant, we make them as a tangible assets. Now we are creating a group tangible assets under fixed assets. We will open Tally. We create a new company. So here we are gateway of Tally. We are pressing Alt F3. We are selecting create company. Problem number 24. For understanding purpose only we are giving. Company names are not like problem number 24. Okay. Company names are different. Company address are different. Pin code, phone number, fax number. The original company's data we have to enter. escape. Now look at here. This is in bold, means this company is open. No voucher was entered till now. That's why it is ready to take the vouchers. We make it minimize, and our this also we make it minimize. Accounts info, lectures, multiple lectures create, all items, capital, amount is 1 lakh. We have to select the group, under which group we are going to. 1,50,000. Machinery, under fixed assets. Excuse me, we will try Alt C. Tangible assets. New group we are creating under fixed assets. It will be displayed against groups. Yes, tangible asset. Machinery is 50,000. Cash we will take later. Land under fixed asset to take 50,000. Land, tangible asset. Tangible assets group is created by us. Bank, under bank accounts, amount is 25,000. Next to transactions. Cash we will enter later by using alter mode. Purchase of goods, purchases accounts. Under purchases account. Sales, under sales accounts. Geeta, sundry debtor. People who bought goods are debtors to us. Salaries, indirect expenses, selling expenses, indirect expense only. Here also we can create a group, selling and distribution expenses. And selling and distribution we can make into one group, that is S&D. Control A per se. Then go to single alter, select the cash, amount opening balance is 75,000. So ledger creation is over. Creation of group already created, ledgers we created, and now we are coming to voucher entry. We will enter the transactions. Control Q for go back. Cancel. Counting vouchers. What is the first voucher? Purchases. F9. Control V as a voucher. 101 reference number. Purchases cash. Goods purchased for cash. Next to sold goods for cash. F8 sales as a voucher. Reference number 201. Cash. Cash sales are 11,500. We'll try for buy whether it is possible or not. No. Sales. Goods. Goods sold for cash. Again sales. Geeta. Found letter to Geeta amount is 17,000. Next reference. New reference only. Sales. Goods sold to next to expenses, payment, F5, salaries, amount is 3,000. I'm entering, I'm passing all three at a time. Selling, 1,500. Distribution, 500. To cash. Expenses paid through cash. Voucher entry also we complete. We'll check with the reports. Control Q for go back. First you see. Whenever your voucher entry is over, check with day book. Day book, all the vouchers we entered, whether we are getting or not, check with that one. Alt F1. All the vouchers we are getting. Okay. Payment voucher is there. Sales 2 vouchers are there. Purchase voucher is there. To go back, control. Get the trial balance. Maybe tally or some amount difference it is showing. What are the assets which are included in tangible assets? Just click on that. We will get. Okay, balance sheet. It is trial balance. Control Q for go back. Account books. Group summary. I need tangible assets group. It is showing that one. Okay. I need indirect expenses group. Group summary, indirect expenses. Indirect expenses are 3 are there, na? That 3. Group vouchers, indirect expense vouchers. It is showing exclusively vouchers which consist of indirect expenses. Sales register. It is showing sales. Alt F1. It will go to vouchers. Purchase register. Only one purchase is there. Click on that, it will go to a particular voucher. Journal register is which is not sales, which is not purchases, which is not cash related item. So that is comes under journal voucher. We don't have that type of vouchers. That's why it is not showing that one. Statement of accounts, inventory, cash flow. In the problem, it was given ratio analysis, I think. Control Q to go back. Look at the ratio analysis. All the current ratio, quick ratio, debt equity ratio, all are calculated and showed for us. Okay. So here in the problem we learn, we will come to PPT. Okay. So this is the problem. In this, these are the ledgers which were created, that is capital, machinery, land, plant, bank. And then the transactions ledgers are required, purchases, sales, Gita, salaries, expenses, selling expense and distribution expenses. We created that, and in the meantime, while creating the ledgers, we need one group called as tangible assets. In creation of ledgers only, we created a group, that is tangible assets. Later we continued with the ledger accounts, and in voucher entry we passed all vouchers. We generated reports also. That reports are trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet. Okay, I will show you in that. Maximize that. Balance sheet. Alt F1. Okay, balance sheet, that is. Profit and loss account. Alt F1. Next, stock summary we cannot. Reason is we were not dealing with the stock items. Ratio analysis also this is calculated by Tally automatically. Tally will automatically calculate ratios and display for us. So ratio analysis. Control Q for going back. Display will give you more options. Trial balance, day book, account books, statement of accounts. Any outstandings are there, we can add this one. Group outstandings, debtors or creditors outstanding. Gita amount to be received, that's why it is showing under outstandings. Inventory books. We are no information regarding inventory, that's why we are unable to see that. Aging analysis, movement analysis, physical stock, already we understood in the previous videos about all this. The cash flow, funds flow also, previous video we understood. Receipts and payments. Instead of it is a cash account, receipts and payments account is a cash account. We can't find Gita in this. Okay? Right, students? We go through this only exclusively problem number 25 is explained, and you practice that how I did on this video. Try to equipped with that. Okay, students. Bye.